Alright guys, look closely. There's a caterpillar over there. One thing is very important at this stage of your banana or plantain farm. You must be very vigilant of these guys at this stage. Of course, so you know, our plantain farm is actually 1 month old, roughly 1 month and 1 week old. So this is the stage when they start invading these young plantain farm. So get rid of them. If you look closely, you will see they're already beginning to eat up this young leaf that is emerging at the moment. So we're going to get rid of the caterpillar. So get rid of them and kill them. There's a caterpillar over there. We have to kill them. So very important. So you can see our plantain farm. So at this stage is when you also apply your organic manure, which we've done. We've actually applied our organic manure. So guys, you can actually see what I'm talking about. You can see the leaves are being distorted by these caterpillars. They're actually eating up, this is their feces. They're actually eating up this one. So how do you check to know whether you have the caterpillars in your farm? If you don't see them, okay, we've seen one here. You can see one inside here. So check very well. They're hiding somewhere. They might be hiding under the leaf like this. You can see one. One is hiding here, another one is hiding here. So what you do is to get a stick, and then get them out gradually. So now it's trying to hide inside. So actually get it off this way. Oh, and it's actually running inside. That's it over here. So get it out. Yeah, that's it over here. Kill them. So let's go over to this guy over here. That guy is actually relaxing, waiting for morning meal to come over. No. So this is our guy over here. You can see. Kill them off. Very important. So we go over to the next plant. So let's do the checking to see whether we have the caterpillar here. They usually hide under the plantain or banana leaf, so check very well. This stage is when they invade the young banana or plantain plants, so check very well. Fortunately for us, there is none here. So this one is growing healthy. You can see the leaves is actually emerging pretty well. So let's go over to this guy. Let's check to see if we have the caterpillars over here. So guys, you can take a look at our farm. You can take a look. So the farm is quite young. They are emerging gradually. So let's continue our check. So let's check over here. Let's check under. Okay, none is here. Let us also check under here to see if we have the caterpillar hiding under. Let's check this. Okay, there's none. Let's go over to this guy. Okay. Baba day here. Baba is here. You can see. So we get them out and then kill it. Yes, you can actually get rid of it that way. Let's check under to see if we have another. Let us also check under. And the thing is that I actually came over here yesterday which was 19th of yeah, that was 19th of May. So I had to get rid of so many, but today again you can see they are coming back. So let's get to okay, you can see our guy over here. Our guy is actually relaxing over here. So let's get it over. We're not running anywhere. No running to anywhere. So get rid of it. Let's go further to this guy. So you can see how they mesh this young leaf up. So definitely there must be one here. Let's check, unless it has gone out or we've eliminated that one. So let's check. Okay, there is none. I must have eliminated that one. Okay, let's go further to the next guy. So let's check over this guy here. Okay, let's check on that. Okay, no. So let's check this guy. Okay, there is none under here. So guys, let's check this guy. Let's check under. No, this one is good. No, let's check this guy. No, this guy is clean. This guy is also clean. It's also clean. So guys, let's check this dude. This dude is clean. This dude is clean. It's clean. You can see that's the cup, their nest. So get rid of it. Get rid of it. You can also check this guy. See? You see? Alright guys. See you next time.